Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Metals Exploration PLC, and this is the stock where one can probably see a sharp rebound, because when you are talking about anything which is related to metal and metal sector, so this is one of those sectors on the global indices which will react, or which will be the front runner of any global or bull cycle of the stock market. So keeping that thing in mind, as you can see here in the overall trend, so you are looking at a monthly chart. So from the lows of 2018 it has already went up by 1100%, so it's a phenomenal rise over the last two and a half years. And obviously if you look at the overall construct of this chart, so as you can see, this is a bearish chart because the stock has been falling from the highs of 2007 and it's been falling down continuously. So looking at the trend, what one can expect here is that firstly this is a trading rally, and this is going to be a sharp, but we don't know how long it will sustain and whether it will convert into a what you can say, that bounce back rally or sustainable bounce back, which we can call it as a rebound, or probably retest its previous highs. So that is yet to be known. So what we are going to do here is we are going to analyze the overall trend and look at the important support and resistance level in the overall trend. Okay, so here you have your trend. Now you can see your first support will come at, or your big support will come at 0.58, and below which you have 0.21, and if the stock falls below that, and obviously one should not carry any position. That's the simple answer, because we don't know how low will it go if it falls below 0.20. Wow. So this is what you have right now, and if one needs something which is very close to the current level, then obviously what you have here is your immediate support will come at 2.2. okay, and your immediate resistance or target will be at 3. Now if it cross or sustain above 3, then obviously what we are going to look at will be a target in a range, because we don't know the actual movement, that's why it will be a range in between 6.3 and 7.2. so this is the first thing, or the first few steps one needs to look at. Now when I'm saying first few steps, it means that one should look at each and every support and resistance level, and if the stock moves beyond a certain point on the upside, it means it is breaking out from that resistance level. And then, like 2.2, previously it was your resistance level, now as the stock is trading above that level, so 2.2 is your support. So the thing is, the logical thing to do is you must place your stop loss at 2.2. so in case if the stock goes below 2.2, your position will automatically be wind up. So this is what one need to do whenever you are looking at a big trend, and specifically when the stock is a trading bounce move, because we don't know the sustainability, that's the thing. And same till 6.3 and 7.2. now if the stock moves above that, so it means that if the stock moves above 7.25, it means it actually breaking the trend. It's actually breaking the trend, which is sliding down on the lower side. And if it happens, then you will face your next resistance or target, which will be at 10.4 or 10.5. now this is a very important level. Why? Because if the stock sustain above 10.4 or 10.5, then obviously the probability will increase for the stock to retest its previous high, which is at 47. It will only happen if the stock trades and sustain above 10.4. Okay, so this is completely conditional. If it happens, then we have our first target or resistance at this level, then we will have next resistance at this level, and so on. So if the stock sustain above 10.4, 10.5, then we have our next target at 19 or resistance at 19.4. Further we have 23, and finally we have 47. So as you can see, there is a bounce back, but this is a trading bounce in the overall bear chart, which is sliding down from the last 12 or 13 years. But if it actually has to move higher, one need to take care about all the important support and resistance level. Fine. Downside, I have already explained you the three most important support level. First at 2.2, if it falls below that, then you will directly have 0.58 and 0.2. So you must know about your risk and then think about the profit. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.